Are you looking for the best mountain bike kickstand? In this video we will look at some of the best mountain bike kickstand on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. BV Adjustable Bicycle Kickstand. The size of a kickstand will have a lot of influence over which one you buy. You always have to pick a size big enough for your bike. With the BV Adjustable Mountain Bicycle Kickstand, you can adjust the product's length without using any tools. The minimum height is 10 inches, and you can increase it to 12.3 inches. The non-slip sole and wide foot will make sure that your bike does not fall or slip even if you place it on a slippery surface. The design of these bike kickstands is made in such that it will support your bike even on uneven ground. I found this feature especially useful on touring bikes. Number 2. BV Bike Foldable Double Leg Kickstand. Another excellent kickstand that BV has brought to the market is its adjustable double leg kickstand. The first product and this one have similar high-quality materials, with the primary difference that one is a single-leg MTB kickstand, and this one has 2 legs. Thanks to its adjustable height feature, this kickstand will fit most 24-inch to 28-inch bikes. The aluminum alloy construction will last a long time, even after frequent use and exposure to wind, sun, and rain. Number 3. Ursus Jumbo Double Leg Kickstand. We love the Ursus Jumbo Double Leg Kickstand because of how big and extra sturdy the design is. It can provide support to a maximum of 176 pounds, which is a massive weight. The width is 7 inches when you fold the kickstand. Once you expand the double legs, the bike stand will be 18 inches. The materials that Ursus used to make their fantastic bike kickstands is a mixture of high-quality aluminum and durable steel. It is in Italy that all the magic takes place. With the outstanding design, you can be sure that your bike will not topple once you engage the stand. Number 4. Topcabin Bike Kickstand. This bike kickstand by Topcabin can go on any bike as long as it is 22-inch to 28-inch. You get everything you might need to install this product on your bike, from the wrenches to the rubber mat. You can use these wrenches to adjust the height of the bike from 12.2 inches to 14.2 inches. As for the construction material, Topcabin used an aluminum alloy, which is light, durable, strong, and also has anti-rust and wear-resistant properties. With a manufacturer's warranty of 12 months, you do not have to think twice about buying it. It definitely makes the list as one of the best bicycle kickstand. Number 5. Pletcher Double Leg Bicycle Kickstand. If you are looking for an affordable yet high-quality bike kickstand, the Pletcher Double Leg Bicycle Kickstand is the ideal choice for you. It is a center-mount kickstand that will keep your bike vertically upright regardless of the terrain. If you plan to cycle on the muddy ground, make sure you purchase the Pletcher shoes so that it will not sink.